Okay, so if you guys remember the video called Muddy Moped, this is the moped used. And this is actually my friend's. Well, technically he'll be my brother-in-law, but whatever. This is a tank. If you can tell me what that says, go for it. I'm good at cursive. I'm not that good at cursive. But if you're wondering what it is, that's what that was. It's had some issues, I've heard, so long. He says it's a 49cc. And along with that, he just did an oil and a spark plug change. And then after that, he was having some issues with it running. And so we went ahead and messed with the throttle, and we finally got it good. And so it does work now. As you can see, it's still muddy. Muddy Moped. It's actually wet out today. So I'm probably going to get some more footage of him doing dumb stuff again. So this is it. Here's one pedal over here. He likes to do wheelies, so he broke the other one off doing wheelies. The plastic cover's gone. Don't know why. It turned yellow one night for some reason and left. It goes up to a lot. So far, he's got it to around 8,000 RPMs, but then he gets scared. I don't think it ever went 90. And full, well, that's easy. And so it's got basically everything you would expect one to have: the blinkers, the lights, the horn, and then it also has the electric start. And don't know what that is, but okay. Brake. Oh, he says it's the headlights. He's right behind me, whispering in my ear like a weirdo. Another brake. That's brake fluid. So, yeah, this is weird. In the video, if you're wondering what the weird screeching noise is, it's probably all the mud stuck in and around the brake, which probably isn't too good. I mean, look how muddy that is. He needs a new brake job. He needs new tires. But, yeah, this is what it was. And I thought I would just do a video on it because I'm waiting for my truck to get back. Because once my truck gets back, well, I'm not going to tell you anything because that's for later. When it actually gets back, I'll show you it. And I'll also am going to show you my replacement vehicle that I have right now. That is way over there somewhere. But don't worry about that. I'm going to make a video on that. But for right now, I just wanted to get some content on the channel. So YouTube's not like, hey, I hate you. So this is his moped. And get ready for some muddiness. Ooh, let's get out of zoom mode, because I zoom mode for it. I don't know if that looks terrible. I will figure out later. If it did, never again. But when he did the wheelie, he didn't break it the first time. He just did another one. He completely snapped that piece off, which also held in what was left of his back tail light. And then, when he ended the video, if you heard a loud snapping noise, he broke this punch up here and then just grabbed it and yanked it. So, I'd hate to see what he does if he owns a motorcycle. Oh, and he's gonna just throw it in. Just throw it at. Oh. So, that was Muddy Moped. This isn't a serious video, mostly because I don't have time to make a serious video. I got a lot going on. But I will be uploading better videos in the future. But I thought I'd just show you the tank 79cc Muddy Moped. We're gonna name it that. This is Muddy Moped. That's the name. Broken plastic. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. I know I didn't do Automotive Adventures Inc. So I'll do it now. Welcome to Automotive Adventures. Completely useless. See you guys later. Like, subscribe. See you guys later. This is a handgun. Boom, boom.